Looking to stay cool as you relax on summer campouts or at the championship game? The classic mesh furniture collection brings big comfort to any seating arrangement. The whole collection is constructed with mesh on the back and on the seat to keep the air flowing so you won't overheat. Add a burly 600 denier polyester and a strong powder-coated steel frame, and this furniture is built to last. The armrest adjusts, allowing you to dial in the comfort, while the insulated and adjustable cup holders can be sized to fit your cold beverage of choice. The multi-use padded roll tote lets you pack up the chairs without the struggle of a too small storage sack. Just place the feet into the pocket, wrap it up, click the buckles, and you're good to go. Grab these handles to use the roll tote as a load hauler for multiple chairs, firewood, or whatever else you need to carry. And when your hauling is done, use the tote as a floor mat to keep you and your stuff out of the dirt. The mesh low-down chair is great if you're flying solo, and the mesh low love seat is perfect if you're cuddling with a sweetheart. Either way you go, you'll get a camp chair that's Kelty built to last for many seasons to come with the classic mesh furniture collection.
This is the Freescape camp saw. The innovative design lets you fold the saw flat while remaining completely assembled using no extra tools. Its slim size when folded makes it simple to store in a pack or a gear bag without threat of lost parts. Apply the sturdy blade to cut through larger diameter wood. Its structure lets you work with the full length of the blade for the most efficient use of your energy. Replace the standard 12-inch blade easily when needed. The saw's grippy rubber handle stays firmly in your hand as you go. This is the Freescape camp saw.
Wenzel portico tents combine function and convenience for the perfect campground getaway. Available in a 6-person or 8-person version, the portico offers plenty features both inside and out. A shock-corded fiberglass frame with fast feet makes setup a breeze. The extra-large awning allows campers to lounge in the shade or enjoy some added protection for if the weather takes a turn. Mesh pockets on the exterior of the tent allow you to easily organize and keep essentials accessible. If you want to plug in, the E-port allows electrical cord access. The large D-style doors make entry and exit into the spacious interior hassle-free. Each tent comes with both a gear loft and several convenience pockets. For your next camping adventure, the portico has everything you need to make the outdoors even better.
Use your days to power your nights with Biolight Solar Panel 10 Plus. This foldable 10-watt panel features the optimal sun system, designed for easy setup to maximize your charge from the sun. An integrated sundial aims the panel, keeping you aligned for direct rays, while the 360 kickstand makes it easy to position from any angle and stabilizes on uneven terrain. Get 10 watts of output and power tablets, phones, and Biolight gear. In peak sunlight, you can fill up a phone in as little as 1 hour. Never miss a drop of sun with Auto Reconnect, which re-engages charging after cloudy skies pass through. The panel features an onboard 3000 milliamp battery to store the sun for when you need it. On the trail or at your campsite, capture the sun around you and power your next adventure with the Biolight Solar Panel 10 Plus.
With its diminutive size and impressively fast boil times, the Pocke Rocket has been MSR's best-selling stove for years. Now, the next generation Pocke Rocket 2 takes everything good about the celebrated original and makes it smaller and lighter without sacrificing any of its powerful performance. The refined Pocke Rocket 2 is just as fast and powerful as the original, boiling a liter of water in just 3.5 minutes. But we've shaved the weight down further to just 73 grams or 2.6 ounces. By designing its pot supports to fold down around the stove body, we've reduced its pack size to create a tiny piece of high-performance equipment. Its improved pot supports are stamped out of strong stainless steel, and they now accommodate a wider range of pot sizes with greater stability. We've also carried forward the stove's wind clip windscreen on the burner head. With the burner surface separated into 3 areas, wind can blow out 1 or even 2 sectors and the stove will remain lit, minimizing wasted fuel. Precision flame adjustment allows you to go from torch all the way down to simmer. Incredibly easy to use, this impressive microstove is perfect for first-time buyers to fast and light fanatics. Stow it inside the Titan kettle or even inside the Titan mug for the ultimate ultralight kit.